Viewers, welcome to Shiksharthi, and today's our topic is on analogies under reasoning. Now, what is analogies and what can be a prerequisite topic for this? If you see my previous 3 videos on numbers and letter series, and if you practice that topic, this topic is going to be very easy for you. So, basic, after learning numbers and letter series, then followed by if you learn analogies, it will be easy for you to learn it. Now, what is analogies? A very simple way to understand the analogies is, suppose there are 4 quantities like A is to B, C is to dash, or if you have A is to B is equals to dash is to D. Now you need to fill this blank. That means he may ask for D position or he may ask for C position here. So whatever the logic will be there between A and B, a similar logic, based on similar logic, we need to get the value for C and D. So he may ask you to find the value of D, or he may ask you to find the value of C, as you can see here. So let's do a small example which can help you to understand what is analogies. Like for example, if I say 2 is to 4, then you can tell me 3 is to how much it can be. How can you make 2 from there to 4? A same logic, we can say 3 to the blank. For example, 2 to become 4, I can add plus 2 here. So if I add plus 2, this becomes how much? 5. So possibly 5 can be an answer. Similarly, if I multiply 2 into 2 is 4, here also I can multiply 2 and the answer can be possibly 6. Next one, here in order to make 2 as 4, I can do 2 square. So this, if I apply the logic, 3 square could be equal to how much? 9. This could be the possible answer here. Next one, say could be taken like this: 2 same power, same base, same power. If I apply the same logic here, same base, same power, this can be logically taken as 3 cube also, which is 27. And followed by many more logics can be possible, my friend. So if I suggest in the other way, it can be 2 cube minus 2 square kind of a question, logic. What is 2 cube? 8. What is 2 square? 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Similar logic, if I apply it here, I'll get 3 cube minus 3 square. 27 minus 9, 18 also can be a possible answer here in this case. So if you keep on thinking like that, definitely I'll get many more possible values on this. Now you get confused, or you may definitely get confused which is the answer here: 5, 6, 9, 27 or 18, which is the possible answer. Whichever is there in the options, that is the right answer. So examiner have a particular thought, he knows what all the types of answers can be possible, and based on that he'll give you one as an option. Now our trial is to identify exactly what is the logic which can match the number which is given in the options. So we need to keep on search till we get the value which is there in the options. Out of 4, there can be only one number which will definitely satisfy any particular logic. So we need to keep on tracking on that. Based on that, we can get the logic. Okay. So now, when we talk about analogies, friends, there are 3 types of analogies. One is number analogy, where you see in this example, I gave numbers 2, 4, 6, then how much. That is the one is called as number logic. The second one is called letter analogy, and the third one is called word analogy. So there are 3 types of analogies. One is number analogy, for which I have to do some basic preparation. What is the basic preparation? You can see I said to practice number analogy, one have to know the types of numbers and some squares and cubes. Squares up to 30, cubes up to 15. Now what all the types of numbers I am expecting here? I want you all to practice whole numbers, natural numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, non-prime numbers, even numbers and odd numbers. So these are sufficient for us. Along with that, you also need to practice squares, cubes. Squares up to 30, I indicated here, squares up to 30 is required, and cubes up to 15 is required for us. So if you can practice those, then it will be easier for you. And in numbers and letter series, I also recommended one table. So I'll make you to see that table once. See, go through that table once, and then if you observe this table, all of you, very useful table. So you need to practice this table, which I also suggested while doing numbers and letter series also, please. So you need to know this table, you need to practice this table for sure. See, if I take all these numbers as x, say 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10 as x, then what is square of it? 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, and so on. Similarly, x cube, that is cube of the number. Then x square plus 1, x square minus 1 kind of a number. So here what happens, if I practice this table, I'll know how to recognize a particular number. For example, if I take a number like 63 as a number, if you search in this table, where is 63? If you observe, this is 63. I can take this number as 4 cube minus 1, and also I'll have one more 63 here. This is the one more 63. I can take that as perfect square minus 1, that is 3 square minus 1, or I'm sorry, it's 8 square minus 1 is called 63. So when I look at the number 63, I should be able to relate that with the square of the number plus 1 minus 1, or cube of the number plus 1 minus 1, or square plus the number, cube plus the number, square minus the number, cube minus the number. I have tried to give you all the types of varieties which can be possible for any particular number. When I see any particular number, I should be always ready to say something or the other about that number, which is very, very, very important for us. Okay, all of you? So like this number, if you see, it is 5 square plus 5 kind of a number. This number, if you see, it's 4 square plus 4 kind of a number. This number, if you see, this is 6 square plus 6 kind of a number. So if you see any particular number, and if you can relate that with any particular logic, or if you know that how it can be possibly turn out to be something else, like, square plus 1, cube plus 1, square minus 1, cube minus 1 kind of a relationship you are able to say, then your analysis or identifying the logic will be very, very easy. Okay, so very important table this is. So keep on practicing this table. If possible, try up to 15 here. I have given a table up to 10. Okay, next, letters analogy. When you look at the numbers, letters analogy here, friends, you find alphabets are coded with some numbers. If you'll find this here, letters analogy, alphabets like A is represented as 1, B is represented as 2, and I want you to practice in this manner. M means 13, N means 14, O means 15, T means 20. So you should be ready to say what number can be associated with a particular number, letter. So if you observe here, Z, we all know it is 26, but after 26 we have 27, 28, 29, 30. So if you go in a cyclic order, then you'll find A, B, C, D again in a continuation. So A can be called as 1 or 27. B can be called as 2 and 28. C can be called as 3 and 29 plus 26, my friend. If you understand the logic, A can be called as 1 or plus 26 to 1. So 1 plus 26, 27. So it can be called as 1 or 27. In that fashion, we can practice this. And the third one is word analogy. I'll give you a very simple concept here. Like tomato means veg, then orange means what? So tomato is one of the type of vegetarian things. Then orange represents what? It's a vegetable. Tomato is a vegetable, then orange is what? So there will be options. In options you'll find it as one of the fruit, type of the fruit. So what is the relation between these two? Similar relation I need to find for the other pair also. So that is called analogies. So word analogies represents questions something like this. So further, if you take, we'll go ahead with the types of examples. So some examples we'll take up here. Okay. So the first, let us start with number analogy examples, and then followed by letter, and then followed by word. Okay, friends. So let us see now number here. So question is 12 is related to 144. So you can take like this. 12 is given as 144. Then in a similar way, 15 related to what? So for the basic understanding, I'll tell you, here you see 12 to 144 can be possible if I multiply 12 into 12. Same if I multiply into 12 here, this have to be 180. Do we have 180 in the options? No. We know 12 square is 144. What can be 15 square applying the same logic? So here it will be 225. Do we have 225 in the options? Yes, we have 225 in the options. So what is the logic of this question? The question is in the form of n and n square kind of a logic. So the first number is n, second number is n square. So similar logics we need to find out. So you can see sometimes we'll get multiple answers. Whichever is there in the options is always the right answer here. Okay. Next, all of you. Similarly here, the second question is 11 is to 1331 and 13 is to how much? And what are the numbers? 13 we cannot relate in any way with 64. If you remember the table, we cannot. I can relate with this. This is 2197, which is 13 cube actually. So this to this is 11 cube, this to this it is 13 cube. Logic is satisfying. So here the logic is n is to n cube kind of a logic here in this case. Okay, all of you. Next one, 2 has become 4 and now 4 has become how much? As I told you in the beginning only, this example we have taken up already. This can be possible by plus 2 into 2. We can also take it as 2 square. We can also take it as 2 to the power of 3 minus 2. Lot of examples are there. So if I apply 1 by 1, this have to be 6, which is not there in the options. Into 2 makes it 8, not there in the options. 4 square is 16. I don't see that in the options. Or else we can have one more idea here. It's like n to the power of n kind of a number, which I have 256 here. 4 to the power of 4 is 256. So another possible answer here can be 256. And I find that in the options. So fine, it's okay. Next, 8 is becoming 27. Then 64 becomes how much? 64 can be how much? 8 and 27 both looks like perfect cubes if you have an idea. So this is 2 cube friends, this is 3 cube. 2 cube and 3 cube is the logic, and something this one taken as 4 cube. And you can see also important to understand 2 base has become 3 as a base. So this will be possibly in the logic of n cube is to n plus 1 whole cube kind of a logic. N cube is to n plus 1 whole to the cube logic. So this have to be something like 5 cube. Do we have 125 in the options? If we have, then yes, we can say. So we have that 125 in the options. So the logic says it should be n cube is to n plus 1 whole cube kind of a logic. 3 has become 8. 3 has become 8 and 6 becomes how much is the question. 3 has become 8. So how can be 3 become 8? It could be something like if I take this as 2 cube, it becomes 8. This should be now 6 cube, which is 216. We don't have 216 over here. So the other way around, 2 becomes 8 can be also taken as n square minus 1. That is 3 square minus 1. 3 square minus 1. So what is 2 square minus 1? 6 square minus 1 is. What can be 6 square minus 1 then? This one is out. So this have to be 6. 6 square minus 1 is something like 36 minus 1, 35. Do we have 35 in the options? Yes, we do have 35 in the options. So we can take it as an answer to this. Okay. Next one. If you look at the 6th question, friends. Now 2 is becoming 6 here. 2 is becoming 6. Then 4 becomes how much is the question? 2 becoming 6. How to make 2 as 6? Can we write it as 2 square plus 2? 4 plus 2, 6. So 4 square plus 4 can be taken. 16 plus 4 is 20. Do we have 20 in the options? No, we cannot have this logic here. Next, 2 becoming 6. A perfect square plus 1 minus 1 kind of a number. 2 becoming 6. So, how do we get this? 2 cube minus 1. No, not possible. And the other number could be 2 becoming 6. Plus 1 square minus 1, I'm not finding it here. So here the logic can be what can be the logic here? The logic can be here, this one taken as 2 cube. See, there is another possibility of getting 2 as 6 is 2 cube minus 2 kind of a number. 2 cube minus 2. So 8 minus 2 is how much? 6. Similarly, if I apply the same here, 4 cube minus 4, 64 minus 4, 60 is the possible answer. Fair enough. So you got that answer. Now 3 is becoming 10. 3 is becoming 10. In a similar way, dash 26 is said. Fine. So 3 becoming 10. The first instance I get an idea, it's 3 square plus 1 kind of a number, 10. So 9 plus 1 kind of a number. So this can be also 5 square plus 1 kind of a number, 26. So this have to be how much? 5. So do we have 5 in the options? Yes, 5 is on the options. Remember, important thing is when I find that number in the options, then only it is a right answer. This is very, very important to consider. Okay. Now 6 becoming 42. 6 is equal to 42, then dash becoming 72 here. So there is one way here. 6 becoming 42 directly into 7 can be the one. Now this is not a multiple of 7, so definitely there is no way this can be possible. Next number, 6 into 7 is 42, consecutive numbers product. Similarly, this can be also taken as 8 into 9, so this can be taken as 8. So possible. Then the idea behind this is n is to n into n plus 1 kind of a number logic here. So answer I find it to be 8, which is there in the options. So 8 is the answer for this. Further, let us see friends, some more examples. The more you practice with the examples, the more clarity you get. So let us see some more examples here for this. Next one, 42 is becoming 50. 42 is becoming 50. Then I would say 54 is how much? Is the one. 42 is becoming 50. Then 54 becomes how much is the point. Now 42 is becoming 50 is possible by taking plus 8 on this. If I add plus 8 here, how much I get? 54 plus 8 is 62. Do we have 62? No in the options. So here 8 can be 4 plus 2 square can be 8. And I'm adding that to 52. So see, what is that please? 4 and 2, I'm taking as 2 digits, and 4 plus 2 square. 2 square is 4, 4 plus 4, 8. 42 plus 8 is 50. Same logic here, 5 plus 4 square, 16. 16 plus 5, 21. If I add 21 to this becomes 75. Do we have 75 in the options? Yes, perfect. 75 is there in the options. We get this answer. 11 becomes 121. Anyone can say n is to n square kind of a logic. Is 11 becoming 121? 11 and 121. Now 15 should become 225, which is not there. 15 as 15 square is not correct. So in that case, what else I can take it here? What else quickly, if I take 11 becoming 121, it's 11 into 11 is 121. So 15 into 11 is, so here this side I am multiplying by 11. The logic is into 11. This side also if I multiply by 11, it should become 165. So do we have 165 in the options? Yes, perfect. 165 is the answer for this. Next one, 11th one here. 14 is becoming 70. 14 becoming 70. 14 into 5 can be 70. So if I take 16 into 5, 16 into 5, if I consider 16 into 5, 16 into 5 have to be something like 80. Do we have 80 in the options? No, 8 is not in the options. What is this 5? Can I take 1 plus 4 is 5? Yes. So sum of the digits is adding with the number. What is sum of the digits here? 16 into sum of the digits is how much? 7. 16 7s are 112 is perfect answer for this. The logic is matching. So you just need to work on multiple logics here so as to get the answers here. Okay. So let's move on to next examples friends here. Next examples. The next example you can see here, this one. 42 is becoming 56. 42 is taken as 56. Then in a similar way, dash 110. See, what I find while writing itself is this is something like 6 into 7. This is something like 7 into 8. And this is something like 11 into 10. So what could be the number? So the number could be, or this is actually to be written as 10 into 11. So this is 9 into 10 friends. 90 must be the answer. Do we have 90 in the options? Yes, perfect. 90 is the option. So here consecutive numbers product and in a continuation. So 6, 7, 7, 8. So 9, 10, 10, 11. In that way the logic is. Next one. If you look at the letter one here, this one E to I take it as vowel, I know that A, B, C, D, the sequence of vowels is A, E, I, O, U are the vowels, right? So here, this is vowel and this is vowel. Again, O is a vowel, the connecting vowel is U. I mean, E to I, O to how much? Or what letter? I can say directly U. Do we have U in the options? Yes, the logic is matching. So sometimes here in letters, the question can be based on vowels, consonants also. So you need to have a practice on it. Next, C followed by J. C is 3, J is 10. So 3 square plus 1 kind of a logic. So 9. And let us understand 5. What is 5 square plus 1? 26. And what is 26 is equivalent to Z. So my answer here is Z. So 3 given becoming 10 means 3 square plus 10. Then now table, if you remember, 5 square plus 1 is 25. Fair enough. So we got that answer here. Fair. Next is some more examples quickly. And here, if you observe this, all of you, B is becoming G. So 2 is becoming G means 8. So it is 2 cube kind of a number. 3 cube kind of a number. It must be 27. What is 27, friends? A. So A is the answer for this. So the given logic here is, if you decode that into numbers, 2 is becoming 2 cube and 3 is becoming 3 cube. Take this as next. E to I, E and I, if I consider similarly J and how much is the point? E is 5, I is 9, I'm sorry, I is 9 here. I should be taken as 9. And J becomes 10, then what next? So can I take this as 2 square plus 1 and 2 cube plus 1 kind of a number here? 5 is 2 square plus 1, 9 is 2 cube plus 1, and this one is 3 square plus 1. So my required answer have to be 3 cube plus 1, which is 28. And what is 28 according to the sequence? It is B. So B is the answer for this. Next one. A is becoming B, B is becoming C, E is becoming E. How is it possible? E is becoming E. So if I look at the sequence A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R and so on. Let's understand quickly here. A is becoming B. So A is becoming B is the next letter. B is becoming C is the next letter. And why E is remaining as E is remaining as E. So I think he has used consonants up to C, followed by there is a vowel called E. So for B, the vowel followed by is E. For C also the vowel followed by is E. So here in the same logic, F should become G. So this is G. And G should become H. G should become H. Followed by the vowel is I. So I'll take it as I. Okay. So G is followed by vowel is I. H followed by a vowel is also I. So in that way the logic runs here. Now, A, B, C has become, so if I look at the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. So just to understand the logic, A is becoming E, A has become E, B has become F, B has become F, and C has become G, C has become G. So it's like starting from vowel to consider. So I here should be followed by what? O. O is there in the options, yes. J should become P. So J should become OP. There is an answer here, you can see. Sometimes you need not have to complete the things. We can get an immediate idea. So 16, 1, 6 and P. So this is something like 16 here. We get an idea on this. 2, Y, 5. So you can say this is 25. We know 16th letter in the alphabet is P. 25th letter is Y. And moreover 16 is 4 square. This is 5 square. The next one if you see, followed by 2y5, the next perfect square have to be 36, which is 6 square. So if I keep 3 and 6 as an extreme, what is 3 plus 36 letter? 36 letter have to be J. Okay, so 3J6 is there in the option, so we can go ahead with it. Next one, 1JO, nothing but 10, and the next one 17Q, that is 17 here, followed by 26Z we have, this is 26. Then how much it is going to be? Okay, how much is it going to be? In that way, if you try to get the logic, my friends, the logic would be, I take 10 as 3 square plus 1 kind of a number. This is going to be 4 square plus 1 kind of a number. This is 5 square plus 1 kind of a number. Followed by my answer have to be 6 square plus 1, that is 37. 37 is nothing but 11th letter, minus 26. So this is going to be 3JI as an answer in this case. Okay, 37. No? 37, I'm sorry, 37 is this. 3K7 is the required answer for this. Now finally, a small set of questions per word letters. So if you look at this, this can be mostly oral and we can conclude the answer here. Mirror gives you reflection, then water give you infraction. So refraction. So refraction is the answer for that. So next one, bread is made up of wheat, brick is made up of clay. So it's very simple. Book, magazine. So a small version of my book is a magazine, we can say. A newspaper, we can call it as article. So we can consider article as an answer for this. Next one, car is related to road, a train is related to track. So track is the answer for this. And I guess finally we have one more example to finish. Earth is related to planet. So earth is one of the type of planet, mango is one of the type of fruits. So answer for me is fruits here in this case. Okay. So like that there are word analogies also. So we have seen 3 types of analogies: number analogy, letter analogy and word analogy. So keep on practicing this and you get more used to these kind of things by doing more of examples. Thank you all.